A response from the Cabinet this evening about development plans for agricultural lands in Innswood, St. Catherine. News that the property is being repurposed for housing has been met with strong opposition. In a statement today, the government says it has requested more information on the matter. A statement from the Office of the Prime Minister, OPM, issued to our news center on Monday stated that Cabinet had received a preliminary briefing from the Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings Limited, SCJ, and the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, on the issue. Agricultural stakeholders, including the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, have been demanding answers since a Gleaner report indicating that the lands which were originally acquired for agricultural production was to be repurposed to housing. The OPM statement insisted that there has been no sale of the Innswood land and no decision to sell the land. It said the company had a lease for the lands with a portion currently being used for agricultural production. It goes on to say other entities associated with Mr. Lee Chin have expressed an interest in purchasing a portion of the lands to use for housing. The government has asked the SCJ and NEPA to provide a detailed report on the developments and proposal for the lands to assist Cabinet in making a decision.